Assalamualaikum and good evening to sir and to all my fellow friends. Today my name is Nur Arina and I would like to explain about Industry 4.0. So the overview that I want to talk about Industry 4.0 is what is Industry 4.0, the stages of the industrial revolutions, the pillars of Industry 4.0, benefits and the challenge of Industry 4.0. Okay, Industry 4.0 refer to the productions or manufacturing-based industry digitalization transformation driven by connected technologies. Industry 4.0 also introduced what is referred to as a smart factory, in which cyber-physical system monitor real-time physical progress of the factory and are able to make decentralized decisions. As a simple word, Industry 4.0 is the newest technology that have been used in the industry nowadays, which connected the technologies with one another via internet. Okay. Industry 4.0 has different terms in different currency in different country, which is smart manufacturing used by US, made in China to 2025. Obviously, China used that term. Manufacturing Innovation 3.0 from South Korea. Industrial Value Change Initiative from Japan, and the last one, Smart Nation Program used by the Singapore. These are the 4 stages of the industrial revolutions, which is the first industrial revolution where we can see the invention of the steam machine and the usage of water and steam power and all of sort of other machines, which it leads to the industrial transformation of society with trains, and during these revolutions it produced a lot of smokes. Next is second industrial revolutions, which at this era they introduced the electricity, the power, mass productions based on the division of labor. Where you can see the first production line is Cincinnati Slaughterhouse 1870. The third industrial revolutions, where we can see related with the rise of computer, along with the introductions of internet during this time, which the internet give the big game changer during in this industry. And the latest industry, which is the newest one, is the fourth industrial revolution, which is based on cyber physical system. Actually, this the in this industry, it's cover every aspect of living. It is a total transformation of all sectors in the industry. Then I will explain the 9 pillars of Industry 4.0. The first one is autonomous robots. Autonomous robots. Okay, robots. As we know that it's human built the robots, and the robot itself nowadays is smarter, and in fact the robots can do the humans job, right? So it will know what we call it. We will not get shocked one day if our job have been done will be done by the robot itself. Next one is the simulations. Simulation, we can see if any of you ever go to the Kidzania, if I'm not mistaken, Kidzania, places where the simulation, where the children can experience itself how to be the pilots and such stuff like that. Then next, the third one is horizontal and vertical system integration, which is for example, engineering design department seldom linked to other department. But with Industry 4.0, the entire organizations will be interconnected with all departments in the companies. The fourth one is the Internet of Things. where we can see everything nowadays have been connected with the internet, and it's fit, the machines itself fit with the sensors and interconnected. For an easy example, if we go to toilet, we will see the sensor dryer machine, washer, the hand dryer machine. If we put our hand there and we blow up some hot air, and we will dry our hand. So it's the easiest example. Next is cyber security. As we know that nowadays everything is linked to each other, and it's important for us to have a cyber security to protect our privacy and information system, and so forth. The sixth pillars is the cloud. Easy example for the cloud is it's sharing information with one and another using a simplest way and reduce time, which is the cloud can achieve the response time in just a millisecond. I don't know if Apple, what they use to transfer file from one handphone to another handphone, but if we use Android, we use Bluetooth where we can transfer the file and pictures or something like that. But now we can use Easy Share, which is Easy Share, which we can transfer the file or AirDrop. That we can transfer. Then seventh is the next is additive manufacturing, where for example, customers nowadays have their own opinion, have their own creativity to create some product. So by using additive manufacturing, we can build a small batches of customized product that fit what customers want. So it can reduce the transportations and inventory management costs and other costs that involve in that cases. And next is augmented reality. For example, they will provide the operators the real-time information they need for faster decisions making and for improvising work process. And the last one is big data and analysis, where everything, all the data has been collected in one place. Next is the benefits of industries moving into industry, where the overall about this industry 4.0 is the benefits. Obviously, it can optimize the cost involved. It can automated the robots, where robots can do the human job, and in better working condition and sustainability. Next is a challenge in moving towards industry 4.0, where the reason why Malaysia not really industry in Malaysia not really use the industry 4.0 because people lack of awareness about the concept of industry 4.0 and the benefits. And as a summary, as a summary, what I get from my few research, according to the MITI, Ministry of International Trade Industry, the government committed to move away from low-skilled and or foreign workers dependency, particularly in manufacturing sector, by adopting this new technology. But because of some challenge that, for example, the market size, it makes the industry in Malaysia not really apply this industry 4.0 yet in their production industry. So that's all from me.
Thank you. Okay.